Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing part 2 of the tutorial. If you haven't already registered, I will leave a link above and below in the description so that you can click on that and do the registration process first. In order to buy any stocks, whether it be ZAR or US, we first need to find our account. Let me talk you through the process. Okay, so once you've logged in, your page will look something like this. You've got all your different account types listed. The ZAR, USD, Australia dollars, Easy Properties. You might have a tax-free savings account open there, or a retirement annuity. Okay, so you've got a demo ZAR and a demo USD account which is allocated to you. I've disabled it because I just think it creates a bit of clutter. But I think it's something that you guys must maybe go in and try and buy some shares using those accounts before you spend your own money. Alright, so you're going to go to the top and you're going to click on menu on the top left. You will then scroll down to deposits and click on that. You will then go all the way down. You will scroll down until you see this section here, where you will choose between ETF, credit card, or SID. Obviously there is a fee for credit cards and SID because the money will reflect almost immediately in their account. If you don't want to pay any fees, just do an EFT to them. Okay, then you're going to select which bank you're banking from. So I normally go with Standard Bank. That's my bank. And you will get the particulars here. So you'll add them as a beneficiary. And the most important thing is, guys, always use this red reference number for EasyEquities so that your money can be allocated quickly. It's also very difficult to prove once you've made a mistake, or if you've sent it to the wrong account, or you've used the wrong reference. You have to then send proof of payment to them. It's difficult to actually get your money allocated to your account. Okay, if you've done the EFT option, normally it's a couple of hours, sometimes even a day or so before the funds will actually appear in your EasyEquities ZAR account. At this point, you could buy South African stocks, but I'm going to show you now how to convert your rands into US dollars. Okay, so we're back at our home screen. We're going to go to the top left again, go to menu, and we're going to scroll down to inter-account transfers, EasyFX. Okay, so now we're at the inter-account transfer page. We're now going to choose our ZAR account. Okay, at the moment I don't have any funds loaded. We're now going to choose the US dollar account. At this point here, EasyEquities will give us a rate. Okay, a US dollar rate for that day. That rate is the US dollar plus 200 basis points. For the purposes of this video, we're going to now put in, let's say we want to convert 2,000 Rand. Alright, so I don't have any money in my account at the moment, and that's why it's saying I don't have enough funds. The US dollar rate will be here, 133.72, and there will always be a $4 US dollar conversion fee, as well as 60 cents in USD for VAT. So the final amount that I will receive in my account for doing a 2,000 Rand ZAR transfer is $129.12 as of today. Okay, then you will scroll down. You will click on I agree to the terms and conditions and hit transfer. Okay, one important thing to note is that you have 1 million Rand limit by SARS for each calendar year that you can transfer out of the country, in other words, offshore. This pertains to whether you've sent ZAR to your USD or your AUD. Once you have transferred it into your USD account, you can't transfer it back into your ZAR. Anyways, let's continue.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the US dollars have now been funded to your EasyEquities USD account. Okay, so if I had any US dollars in my USD account. They would now appear at the top there. We are now going to scroll down and we're going to pretend we're doing an investment. So you'll see a watch list, equities, ETNs, ETFs, some baskets and some bundles. For the purpose of this video, we'll click on equities. The page will then load and then we will scroll down and you'll note some of the popular shares that we're used to, the big companies. They are listed in alphabetical order. So we're going to go and click on Adobe. Let's try and buy some Adobe shares. So we click on this. We're now going to scroll down and you can see the 1 month chart, 3 month. I've clicked on 6 months here. Let's do a 1 year chart. So we see, okay, Adobe's performing quite nicely. We want to get involved here. We scroll down some more and we'll punch in the US dollar amount that we want to buy. Or you can list the number of shares. You can also buy fractions of shares. Okay, once we've punched in an amount we would like to invest, we can click the once off button. That'll do a once off purchase. Okay, if the market is closed, you're going to see this here. It says this security is currently only available for trading through a buy instruction. A buy instruction will execute within a reasonable time of the instrument becoming available on the platform again. This could be after the market has reopened or when the particular instrument is unsuspended. So what it's trying to say in a nutshell is that EasyEquities will buy the stock for you when the market opens. Okay, so what are my thoughts in investing in US stocks? Guys, the New York Stock Exchange hours are 4:30 p.m. until 11 p.m. in their winter, or 3:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. in their summer, i.e. our winter. Stocks are very volatile at the beginning and end of each day. So it's best to buy the stocks in the middle of their day. All the news, good or bad, has come out by then. For South Africans, this works out perfectly because this is around 7 to 9 p.m. So come home, relax, have a shower, have some supper, and then log into EasyEquities and buy your stocks. As long-term investors, we're not here to swing trade anyway. Number 2, the prices seen on EasyEquities are 15 minutes delayed. When you click the button to buy or sell, you will get it at the live price. The price listed on Yahoo Finance will be closer to the live price. Okay, number 3. This is a little tip I've picked up over the last few months. I found that if you do a transfer from your ZAR account to your USD account before 10 a.m., there's a high chance that by the time the US market opens that afternoon, you will have the funds there available and you can start investing that evening. Good luck, my fellow investors. Remember to click on the link I gave you in the registration video so that you can get the free 50 Rand. And as always, if you like the content of this video, please click the like button, hit subscribe and the bell notification to get any updates of anything new that I may post.